Ever wondered how you could take control of your finances, pay bills on time, and even improve your credit score, all while enjoying the flexibility to pay later? Today, we're diving deep into a financial tool that's been making waves, beforepay. But who exactly can benefit from this innovative solution? Let's break it down. Who can use beforepay? Well, the beauty of beforepay is its wide-ranging applicability. It's designed to cater to a diverse group of individuals, from students to working professionals, and everyone in between. 1. Students and young adults. Financial flexibility. As a student, managing finances can be a daunting task. Beforepay offers a lifeline, allowing you to cover unexpected expenses or bridge gaps between paychecks. Building credit history. If you're just starting out, building a solid credit history is crucial. By using beforepay responsibly, you can establish a positive credit track record. 2. Working professionals. Emergency fund booster. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Beforepay can act as a safety net, providing quick access to funds for emergencies. Smoothing out cash flow. Sometimes, paychecks don't always align with bills. Beforepay can help you bridge the gap and ensure timely payments. 3. Freelancers and gig workers. Income fluctuations. As a freelancer, your income can vary from month to month. Beforepay can provide a reliable source of funds, especially during slow periods. Financial stability. By using beforepay responsibly, you can maintain financial stability and avoid late fees or penalties. How to qualify. While beforepay is accessible to many, it's important to note that there are specific eligibility criteria. Typically, you'll need to meet the following requirements. Age. Be of legal age to enter into a contract. Income. Demonstrate a reliable income source. Positive financial history. A good credit history can significantly improve your chances of approval. Key benefits of using beforepay. Financial flexibility. Enjoy the freedom to pay later for purchases. Improved credit score. Responsible use of beforepay can boost your credit score. Convenient payment options. Choose from various payment methods to suit your preferences. Transparent fees. Understand the costs associated with using the service. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a freelancer, beforepay can be a valuable tool to help you manage your finances effectively. By understanding the eligibility criteria and the benefits it offers, you can make informed decisions about whether it's the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.